Tesla Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system that assists your car with steering, accelerating and braking for other vehicles and pedestrians within its lane. It assists with the most burdensome parts of driving and work alongside features like emergency braking, collision warning and blind spot monitoring.
When auto steer is active, the steering wheel icon is blue and the lane markings are highlighted in blue on the visualization. Tesla Autopilot is a supervised automation system, classified as ISAE Level 2 automated driving feature, that assists drivers in the lateral, auto steer, and longitudinal control of the vehicle, traffic-aware cruise control.
Autopilot is considered to be one of the most capable systems commercially available and it is used extensively. Autopilot is primarily a comfort system, for example, to reduce the effort of continuous vehicle control, but it can also reduce the exposure to critical situations by increasing safety margins. Tesla has one of the most advanced self-driving cars on the market that's included with every new car sold and can be activated through software updates. All of these options still require a human driver to be attentive on public streets, analogous to Level 2 driving but making overall everyday freeway and stop-and-go traffic a much safer and enjoyable experience. Tesla cars with Autopilot turned on are much safer than cars driven by people. In Q4 2022, there was only one crash for every 4.85 million miles driven. According to the most recent data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Federal Highway Administration, FHWA, one crash happens every 652,000 miles for all other cars. Tesla's passive safety features also make its vehicles over 2 times safer than other cars, even when Autopilot is not engaged, with one crash every 1.40 million miles. While the Q4 2022 data is lower than Q3 2022, where Tesla recorded one crash every 6.26 million miles with Autopilot, it is still above the same period last year, when there was one crash every 4.35 million miles in Q4 2021. Overall, Tesla's Autopilot technology continues to outperform the national average in terms of safety, highlighting the company's commitment to producing the safest cars on the market. With its continued investment in advanced technology and safety features, Tesla is setting the bar for the future of driving.
Tesla Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, developed by Tesla that amounts to partial vehicle automation, Level 2 automation.
Tesla provides base autopilot on all vehicles, which includes lane centering and traffic-aware cruise control. Tesla's Autopilot is unique in the industry in that it uses computer vision and machine learning on raw video streams from the vehicle's cameras, rather than LiDAR or high-definition maps. Autopilot uses a neural networks with 1 billion parameters, completing 144 trillion operations per second, to process raw images from the car's 8 cameras and automatically steer, accelerate, and brake the vehicle. A neural network is a machine learning model that mimics the structure and function of the human brain.
Neural networks are also known as artificial neural networks, ANN, or deep neural networks.
Like the human brain, neural networks are trained, not programmed. Instead of being based on hundreds of thousands of lines of code, like all previous versions of self-driving software, this new system had taught itself how to drive by processing billions of frames of video of how humans do it, just like the new large language model chatbots train themselves to generate answers by processing billions of words of human text. By early 2023, Tesla's neural network had analyzed 10 million clips of video collected from the cars of Tesla customers. Did that mean it would merely be as good as the average of human drivers? No, because we only use data from humans when they handled a situation well, Schroff explained. Human labelers, many of them based in Buffalo, New York, assessed the videos and gave them grades. Musk told them to look for things a 5-star Uber driver would do, and those were the videos used to train the computer. Autopilot training takes 70,000 GPU hours and occurs continuously by analyzing video collected from the millions of Tesla vehicles on the road. The resulting trained model is routinely uploaded to all Teslas using over-the-air updates. Tesla fed the Autopilot millions of hours of videos recorded by skilled human drivers. The Autopilot then learned how to navigate the real world solely based on these training videos, just like how humans learn through observation and experience. The key to Tesla's Autopilot success lies in its ability to perceive and understand the world like a human does. Through the analysis of the sequence of images, the Autopilot forms a comprehensive world model. This world model allows the Autopilot to recognize and interpret various objects and scenarios on the road, such as cars, pedestrians, and traffic lights, without the need for explicit labeling or predefined rules. Remarkably, the Autopilot has even learned to read, despite not being explicitly trained. When it comes to real-world AI, Tesla has an undeniable lead over any other company on the planet. With a fleet of millions of vehicles equipped with autopilot capabilities, Tesla possesses an unparalleled dataset for training and refining its AI algorithms. This massive amount of real-world data puts Tesla miles ahead of any competitor attempting to develop their own intelligent autonomous system. Furthermore, Tesla's continuous improvement of its AI algorithms through regular software updates ensures that its vehicles evolve and become increasingly intelligent over time. The potential for Tesla's Autopilot to outperform human drivers in terms of safety and capability is immense and continues to grow with each advancement. Once Tesla's Autopilot achieves human-level capabilities and safety, it will not stop there. It will keep getting better and surpass every existing human driver in terms of intelligence and capability. This is a crucial point to understand, as AI possesses the potential to transcend the limitations of humans and continuously push the boundaries of what is possible. Tesla's Autopilot is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the company's vision for autonomous mobility. With the potential to operate millions of vehicles as robo-taxis with a simple software update, Tesla aims to disrupt the entire transportation industry. This vision extends far beyond the realm of personal vehicles and holds the promise of generating trillions of dollars in revenue over the long term. While skeptics might doubt the feasibility of achieving such grand ambitions, Tesla's track record of innovation and disruption speaks for itself. The combination of Tesla's vast fleet, constantly improving AI algorithms, and Elon Musk's bold vision sets the stage for a future where autonomous vehicles are not just a luxury but a necessity.